anything I can take you for?
Hi, could I get that new Thanksgiving stack?
Okay.
A salted caramel butter tart?
We have no butter tarts right now.
No way?
That's something else, I know.
Do you have anything else new?
No.
No, well, just
You have the pumpkin spice muffin.
no, maybe
Well,
just...
you're having Thanksgiving sandwich. You might as well have a pumpkin spice stuff.
All right, I'll have one. You talked me into it.
All right, that's good. All right.
And a large steep tea.
Okay.
And that's it.
All right, that is 1531.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hi.
Just debit today?
Yes.
Alright, I got a muffin for you and a sweet tea, and I'm gonna go run and grab your sandwich.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I don't like that. There you
Awesome.
go.
Have you tried the sandwich?
I haven't.
No.
I wanted to on break and they weren't ready yet.
Okay.
Maybe tomorrow.
Have a good one.
You too.
Welcome back. Big Dave, Dave Eats. Well, today we went to Tim Hortons. Why? I don't know. They have something new. And I like turkey. So it's the Thanksgiving Stack. Sorry, I'm going to have a drink of my tea here. Sorry, I don't know exactly what the price is. I'll figure it out and have it in them. Earlier, they did not give me a receipt, but I'm thinking it was around $15. Let me have a drink of tea. Seems like a lot of money for what we got, but hey, we did get a tea. Let's check out the giant stack. Now, saying stack, it gives the impression it's big. I don't know. Am I wrong? Let me know. Okay, it's not huge. Let's get her out of the safety container here. Yeah, it's a bun. It is toasted. It is got, three, pieces of turkey there and a couple little pieces here. I see some stuffing at the bottom, and I think it has cranberry sauce on it too. When I picture stacked, I picture, a gap between the two buns because there's so much stuff on it. Just my impression of the words, maybe I'm wrong. Let's take a bite. Okay, I said that was stuffing, and it's not stuffing. It's those onion, deals. The onion strings, little pieces of breaded onions, whatever you want to call it. That's what it is. The cranberry sauce is just okay. The mayonnaise. The turkey's pretty good. It's salty. It's delicious in that way, but I think it's too much money for too little sandwich. Do I almost get a hint of pumpkin spice in there? It's something weird. Maybe it's that cranberry sauce. There's a weird, sweet, earthy flavor in there. Not exactly sure. I'm looking super forward to my salted caramel butter tart because I'm Canadian and I absolutely love good butter tarts. But since they didn't have any, she talked me into this. She really did. I was saying no to the pumpkin spice muffin because, well, not really huge on pumpkin spice things usually. Just my opinion. Let's try the pumpkin seed first. Think beer nut pumpkin spice peanuts, but it's pumpkin seeds. It's not bad. Let's crack this sucker open. But I think there's like cream cheese or something on the inside. Let's take a bite. As muffins go, it's not terrible. Don't get me wrong. It's very, very sweet. I was just looking forward to a butter tart. But hey, that's Tim Hortons nowadays. They try to bite off more than they can chew. Too many new items. Stick to the good things. The sandwich isn't terrible. The muffin's not terrible. The tea's all right. I really wanted a butter tart. Tell me, what do you think? Is this something you'd try? What do you think of Tim Hortons? Has the quality and the service gone downhill? I hear that a lot. Comment below. Hit the like button. Subscribe, share. Look for us next time. I'm Big Dave, and this is Dave Eats. Big Dave!